You've probably never seen anything like
Oh,
this.
oh, oh! It's like a jackhawk!
Pretty much what it is, just as the backhoe.
Yeah. It has a wheelie bar though.
No, it's still gonna do it. It has really good suspension right there. Wait, hold
I
on.
don't know what they call them in Britain.
I think he's gonna restart.
They certainly don't call them back.
Them flames. Them flames.
So I understood that
Yeah, I knew it. He's gonna restart.
people were
Dude,
always
that was
complaining on the highway.
freaking
First sign of the lake. So I don't know. I'm hoping they can keep the speed at 150 miles an hour. When they first brought this truck to the USA, and it's been all over the world, Australia, New Zealand, the NHRA, the National Highway Authority, said, we'll look at it, you're not ready for these without this truck. So they did all the safety modifications that they had to do. It had to be more weighted than believe it or not, if that's possible. And they did all the testing in Berlin, New Jersey. That's their new home base. The driver, Neil Smith,
Watch
he's
lights.
from the UK. Stop by and say hello to the World Fantasy Concept.